Hello everyone, this is Matthew Alon. In this video, I will take you through project that will make you more proficient in Microsoft Word. This video will also help you pass Microsoft Office Specialist Word Expert Certification exam. So let's go through this project one after the other. Project 1, Task 1. Set the application default font to 12-point Arial for this document only. Set the application default font to 12-point Arial for this document only. Okay, to do this, you select the Home tab, then in the Font group, you select the Font dialog box launcher, then right here, just put in Arial and to 12 points. Select 12 points. Okay, 12 point size, and select Set as default. Do you want to set the default font to Arial? 12 points for this document only. Okay, so select this and click OK. Okay, that is done. Then mark completed. Then task 2, project 1, task 2. Configure Word to save auto recovery information every 7 minutes. Configure Word to save auto recovery information every 7 minutes. Okay, to do this, you click on the File tab, then you select Options, then select Save. Save auto recover information every 7 minutes. Okay, just adjust this to 7 minutes. Then you can just press the enter keyboard to close the page and mark complete. And task 3. In the blank space between the last paragraph in Kites Festivals and edit more info, insert the Kites Festival.xlsx file from the geometries folder, geometries templates folder. Future changes to the kites underscore festival.xlsx file should automatically update MO-111 kites.docx. So in the blank space between the last paragraph in kites festivals and the edit more info, insert the kites underscore festivals.xlsx file from the geometries templates folder. Future changes to the kites underscore festivals.xlsx file should automatically update MO-111 kites.docx. Okay, to do this, you just put down to the space between the last paragraph and the edit more info. Okay, just click there, then select the insert tab, click on the insert tab and the text group. So the drop down arrow next to object, select object. Okay, then you select the create from file tab, then you select link to file, so it should automatically update. Okay, just click on link to file, then click on browse, then in the geometric template folder, you click on geometric template folder, then this is the file kites underscore festivals, then you click inside. Okay, click OK. It's still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Okay, that is it. So task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Prevent users from changing the theme or style set. Do not enforce protection. Prevent users from changing the theme or style set. Do not enforce protection. Okay, to do this, you can just click on the review tab, then restrict editing. Okay, so under the formatting restriction, just click setting. Okay, then prevent users from changing theme or style set. So you can just select this box, block theme and skin switch, and select this as well, block style set switch. Okay, click OK, and that is done. So task 4 mark complete. Now task 5, you can close this. So encrypt this document with the password. Encrypt this document with the password. Okay, the password is given as password. Okay, so to do this, just click on the file tab, then select info, select protect document, encrypt with password. Encrypt with password. Okay, you type the password given, starting with capital letter P, uppercase. So then to ensure you enter the correct password, hit OK, and re-enter the password. Okay, uppercase, P, uppercase. At okay, that is done. So task 5 mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct. Project 2, task 1. Configure macro settings to enable digitally signed macros only in the document. Configure macro settings to enable digitally signed macros only in the document. Okay, to do this, you click on the file tab, then you select the options, then here you select trust center, then on this page you select trust center settings. Okay, so macro settings, disable all macros except digitally signed macros. Disable all macros except digitally signed macros. Configure macro settings to enable digitally signed macros only in the document. Okay, that is done. Just close the dialog box, click OK, and click OK again. Okay, let's dock this top. Let's dock this to the top. Go to see the OK button. Okay, that is done. Task 1 mark completed. Then task 2. Project 2, task 2. Locate and replace all occurrences of heading 3 paragraph style with the heading 2 paragraph style. Locate and replace all occurrences of heading 3 paragraph style with heading 2 paragraph style. Okay, so to do this, you go to the home tab, and in the styles group you have the style. Just click on the styles group, click on this more button to display heading 3. So heading 3, you just right click on heading 3, so select all. Okay, select all, select all. Okay, all two instances, okay, just select this again, then can now go to heading 2, right click, just click on heading 2. Okay, so that is apply replace all occurrence of the heading 3 paragraph style with heading 2 paragraph style. Okay, that is done. Now task 2 mark completed. And task 3, disable automatic hyphenation for this document. Disable automatic hyphenation for this document. Okay, to do this, you select the home tab, then paragraph group, you select the paragraph dialog box launcher. Then okay, let's drag this to the bottom for you to see. Okay, so in there space line and paragraph, line and page breaks, you have don't hyphenate. Disable automatic hyphenation for this document. Don't hyphenate. Okay, so you can just press the enter key to close the dialog box. Okay, that is done. Task 3 mark complete. Now task 4. At the bottom of the last page, in the empty line below Coco Cafe and above the telephone number, inside the address block field, accept all default settings. At the bottom of the last page, in the empty line below Coco Cafe and above the telephone number, insert the address block field, accept all default settings. Okay, to do this, just scroll down to the space in between the Coco Cafe and the telephone number. Okay, so you click on the insert tab, then in the text group you select quick path and select field. Okay, then right here you select address block. Okay, here you type as okay, address block, I select address block and select okay. That is inserted now. Okay, task 4 mark complete. Now task 5, add email to the quick access toolbar. Add email to the quick access toolbar. We go to the quick access toolbar, the customize quick access toolbar. Here, just select it, then select email. You can see email is added to the quick access toolbar above the ribbon. Okay, so task 5 mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct. Project 3, task 1. For the entire document, set paragraph pagination to keep lines together. For the entire document, set paragraph pagination to keep lines together. Okay, to do this, you click on the Home tab, and in the paragraph group, you select the paragraph settings dialog box launcher. And here in the line and page breaks, you select keep lines together. Keep lines together. Keep lines together. Okay, that is done. So just press enter to close the dialog box. And that is done. Task 1 mark completed. Task 2, modify the intense emphasis style to set the font color to red accent 5 and the font size to 11 points. Modify the intense emphasis style to set the font color to red accent 5 and the font size to 11 points. Okay, to do this, just go to the Home tab. In the styles group, you select the more, then the intense emphasis. Right click on intense emphasis and select modify. So right in the modify dialog box that open, you select red accent 5, then font color. Font color is red accent 5, then font size 11 points. So change this to 11 points, 11, then the color to red accent 5. Okay, that is done. So you click OK here. Then task 2 mark complete. Task 3, beneath the index heading, insert a default index. Beneath the index heading, insert a default index. So just go down to the index heading. You just click the index heading. Okay, so beneath it, just insert a default index. Okay, you go to the references tab. Then in the index group, you select insert index. Okay, so here you click OK. Accept all default settings. Okay, then task 3, mark completed. Then task 4, beneath the table of figures heading, insert a default table of figures. Beneath the table of figures heading, insert a default table of figures. Okay, go below the table of figures heading right here. So select the references tab and insert table of figures in the captions group. Insert table of figures. Okay, so accept all default settings and okay, insert table of figure. Okay, just ensure other general area figure. Okay, so figure is already there, so click OK. That is done. Task 4, mark complete. Now task 5, beneath the image on the cover page, modify the date field to display the date as month, name, date, year. Okay, in this format. So beneath the image on the cover page, modify the date field to display the date as month, date, month, name, date, month name, date, and year. So in this format, so you go to the image on the cover page, you scroll up to the cover page. Okay, so beneath it, you have a date field here. So right click, so modify, then you select edit field. Okay, right here you select the format that tallies with this. So this shows this, and okay, month, day, then year. Okay, so this is the format. It corresponds with the given format here. Okay, now click OK. That is done. So task 5, mark completed. Then grade project. Correct. Project 4, task 1. Create a character style named index that is based on the default paragraph style with italic applied. Create a character style named index that is based on the default paragraph style with italic applied. Okay, to do this, just click on the Home tab. Then in the styles group, you click the styles that are Logos launcher. So here, you select the new style. Then right here, create a character style named index. Okay, so here you type index. Okay, so here style name, style type. So the style type, character style. So just here you select character. Okay, based on the default paragraph style. Okay, just leave this as it is. Default paragraph font. Then with italic applied, come here and select italic, then click OK and close this as well. Okay, that's done. Task 1, mark completed. Now task 2, mark an index entry for all instances of Excel. Mark an index entry for all instances of Excel. Okay, to do this, just go to the Home tab, then the Find. Okay, just select in the editing group, select Find, and right here you just enter Excel. Okay, so all instance Excels are marked right here. Now you go to the references tab and select in the index group, select mark entry. Okay, so the main entry now is Excel. So then right here you select mark all, mark an index entry for all instances of Excel. So mark all, select mark all and close. Okay, that is done. You can close this pane as well. So task 2, mark completed. Now task 3, add a caption above the image that reads figure 1 share panel. Add a caption above the image that reads figure 1 share panel. So just go straight down and locate the image, select the image right here. Then in the references, on the references tab, in the caption group, you select insert caption. Okay, then add a caption above the image that reads figure 1 share panel. Okay, here you type share panel. Okay, and label figure 1, label figure. Okay, just leave this as this, then position above the image, so here it's already selected above the image. Okay, so now you click OK. That is done. Okay, that is inserted. So task 3, mark completed. Now task 4, save the current theme to the geometrics templates folder as new office. Save the current theme to the geometrics templates folder as new office. Okay, to do this, you just go to the design tab, then in the document formatting group you select theme. Okay, then save current theme. Okay, right here the file name should be new office. You type new office and you locate the geometrics template folder. Okay, select that new office in the geometry templates folder, so you click save. Okay, that is done. Now task 4, mark completed. Now task 5, display the hidden developer tab for this document. Display the hidden developer tab for these documents. Okay, to do this, just click on the file tab, then you go down to options, then here you select customize ribbon. Okay, then the developer tab, you check this box. Okay, then let's drag this to the top so you can see the okay Martin. Okay, so you click OK. Okay, that's done. So developer tab is now displayed on the ribbon. Okay, so task 5, mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct. Project 5, task 1, create a new recipient list with the names Hideki Tomo and Ginger White. Save the list to the geometrics templates folder as supporters. Create a new recipient list with the names Hideki Tomo and Ginger White. Save the list to the geometrics templates folder as supporters. Okay, to do this, just
click on the mailings tab, and in the start mail merge group, you select the drop down arrow next to recipients, select recipients. Right here, then you select type a new list. So right here you enter the first name. Here on the first name you type the key. Then for the last name you type Tom. Okay, and new entry, select new entry. For the first name you type Ginger. Then for the last name you type White. Okay, that is done. So you click OK. So now in the file name box you type supporters. Okay, and save to the G-Metrics templates folder and click save. Okay, that is done. So task 1 mark completed. Now task 2, save the header as a quick path named Lions letter head. Save it into the built-in headers gallery. Accepts all other defaults. Save the header as a quick path named Lions letter head. Save it into the built-in headers gallery. Accept all other defaults. Okay, to do this you just click on the header to select it. Then you select the header. So now you go to the insert tab in the text group, you select the quick paths, then save selection to quick path gallery. Select that. Then for the name, named Lions letter head. So here you type Lions letter head. Okay, Lions letter head. Then as quick path, the gallery as quick path. Then category, just leave it as it is. So gallery built in, save it into the headers galleries. Okay, here you select headers, save it into the headers gallery. So you select header here, then Lions letter head, then accept all other defaults. So we click OK here. Okay, so you can click on the header and footer tab, contextual tab here, and close header and footer. Okay, that is done. Task 2 mark complete. Now task 3, edit the macro named important by removing the step that italicizes text. Save your change. Edit the macro named important by removing the step that italicizes text. Save your change. Okay, to do this just click on the view tab, then in the macros group you select the drop down next to macros, then you select view macros. Okay, so the edit the macro named important. Now you select important, so you select edit. Okay, so by removing the step that italicizes text, okay, right here you select this part, selection font italic. Okay, then you just delete that. Okay, then you go to the file tab and click save. Okay, that is done. Then task 3 mark completed. Now task 4, Okay, so just close this and close this as well. Now task 4. Edit the date picker control to display the date in the format DDDD then DYYYY. Lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. Edit the date picker control to display the date in the format DDDD as the day, the month, and day and year. YYYY. Lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. Okay, so to do this, just locate the click to edit, click to select a date. Okay, so this is the date picker. Now here, you to edit this, just go to the developer tab. Developer tab is not here, so you have to just bring it up. So just click on the file tab, the options, select options here, then select customize ribbon, and you just select the developer box here. Just select the box next to developer tab. So now let's dock this to the top so you can see the OK button. That is done. You can dock it back to the bottom. So lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. So here we go to the developer tab, then in the controls group, so you select properties. Okay, select property, edit the date picker control so control to display the date in the format. Okay, in this format, then lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. Okay, so here under the locking, content control cannot be deleted, just select the box that is next to it. Okay, now right here you select this, the date format that tallies with this, the given here. Okay, now select the C. No, select this. Okay, compare this with that. Okay, that is done. Okay, you need to dock this to the top to be able to see the control. Okay, so you just select OK. Let OK. Okay, that is done. That is done. Now task 4, mark completed. And task 5, create a custom color set named Lions Soccer based on the current theme colors except change accent 2 to red. Create a custom color set named Lions Soccer based on the current theme colors except change accent 2 to red. Okay, to do this, just select the design tab, then in the document formatting group you select color, custom color, select color, then right there you select customize colors, then accent 2 to red, select accent 2, then under the standard colors select red. Okay, named Lion Soccer. Okay, here named Lion Soccer, Lions space soccer. Okay, that is done. That is done, and click save. Okay, that is also task 5, mark completed. Okay, so great project. correct.
I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.